Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today I have here a video for you about the largest European Can-Am Spyder and Ryker meeting that is happening every year at the GrossGlockner, and the ultimate goal is to get to the High Alpine Road. I have friends here. John is here from US, he will be riding Dakar. Guys are here from Bulgaria, Slovakia and friends. So actually today's video is for you not only to see beautiful nature, but also what you can experience with me when you will come to Slovakia, when you will book a tour via toursonthreecom and you will ride Europe on 3 wheels. Guys, enough of this, let's get started. You like the road?
Yes, that was cool.
I call it a secret road.
But it looks like a few other people know it. They probably paid $500.
So, first day here in Austria, it's our registration day, so event registration day. We can do it later in the afternoon. But why not to use the day? Why not to take the scenic roads along lakes? And go to the Eagle's Nest. Actually, we are in Germany now, and the place, how to say it on YouTube, the German dude has built one of his houses right over here on the highest mountain, and of course the prisoners had to build it. Then it was bombed after the Second World War, and now they're using it for and now they're using it for like restaurant, and it's rebuilt, you know, but it's just beautiful. Enough of this, let's continue riding. It's Friday, and this is actually what it is about. Not about parking lot, about that. Any of people that are watching my channel, you know that Spyders and Rykers, they do have a Rotax engine, right? So part of the GrossGlockner Challenge is visit of the factory, because Rotax, it's in Austria, it's in Altmünster, so it's very close to the event. And I believe that's the reason why the event is actually happening in this area, apart from amazing roads. I will wait for John, because John is inside, and I haven't went inside because I've been there already, and no footage is allowed, so I'm very sorry. But I'm curious what he's gonna say, if he liked it or not. I don't know. Let's see. So guys, this is John. John is eating. I'm very sorry. At Jirka. Hey, you are on YouTube, Jirka. So John, you came to Austria to experience GrossGlockner event, and now you are at the Rotax Factory. How it was? Where are you from, actually?
Very good.
Where are you from? We will start like that.
Florida.
You're from Florida, originally?
I'm really from Puerto Rico.
Okay.
I live in Florida.
Now, tell me, how was the tour? Because I wasn't attending.
It was very good. I like all that technical stuff.
Because you used to fix what?
F-16.
Yeah. So he already told us many things about F-16, but I think he even brought his special glasses with him to fit, to blend in. So today you saw ski-doos and sea-doos, right? Something like that?
Sea-doos, and because this is the season of watercraft, and they're getting ready for snow.
Dobrý den.
Yeah, this has been an amazing trip. Part of my bucket list.
Bucket list. Yep. One of my private roads, completely illegal. Like, if they will catch us, but it's beautiful.
Niedobrze, niedobrze.
správně. Máte se krásně.
So John, this is the GrossGlockner High Alpine Road. Enjoy! So we are on the way to the photo shoot, and this is just half of the road of the High Alpine Road, GrossGlockner High Alpine Road. How do you like it so far?
It's wonderful. It's breathtaking.
And we have pretty miserable, very miserable weather. It's just
It's raining.
it's raining, no sun at all. Yeah, it's just John is so lucky because I think last year it was raining a little bit.
Yeah, I saw the videos.
And today is just, it's supposed to be raining, but it's not. So guys, this is it. This is Spyder GrossGlockner Challenge. This is the largest event in the Europe. I don't know, like 350 bikes, something like that. And it's just road, people, a lot of Spyders and Rykers, and just amazing atmosphere. Everything is in here. Absolutely love it. Yeah, I'm gonna go around, check some bikes. It's a nice bike. Black Panther, of course. That bike is the winner, actually. I think it has 158,000 kilometers, just close to 90,000 miles, something like that. So this is what Spyder GrossGlockner Challenge is about. Is it about the road? I don't know. It's more about, it's about people. Have you been to an event like this? It's just amazing. Very, very good people. Very polite. Amazing bunch of Spyders and Rykers. some inspiration there for sure. Scenic roads, High Alpine Road, Rotax Factory, great food. Today we're gonna party for one last time. And you know what, guys? I will be waiting for one info. On the last day, they usually announce that if the next year is happening, and hopefully it will happen, and if it's true,
I would like to tell you something.
I have 8 bikes to go. So 4 Rykers, 2 Spyders F3 Limited Special Series, 1 RT Limited, and 1 new F3S is gonna be available. So, and book your spot very soon, because I have just limited number of tickets to go, and I will be your personal tour guide. Guys, thank you very much for watching. We still have beautiful journey to go. Hopefully it will not start raining, and we need to go tomorrow home, but again through some epic scenic roads. And now, guys, remember, come here next year or not, it's your call, but always have fun.